Welcome, Algebra. We're going to do a quick lesson on solving multi-step inequalities. It's really just one little layer ahead of what you've just done, okay? You know how to solve multi-step equations, like if it was, 2x plus 1 equals 5x or something like that. You could solve that, get the x's on one side, get the numbers on the other. Well, it's not very much different if they change this to like greater than or equal to, okay? We're going to get the x's on one side, we're going to get the numbers on the other, and then we'll have an answer. My preference always is to move x's so that we have positive numbers, so I'm going to move it that way and subtract 2x. So then we end up with 3x less than or equal to 1, divide by 3, and we get x is less than or equal to 1/3, okay? Remember that if that was a -3, and when I divide by a negative coefficient, I have to flip the sign around. But that's really the only kind of hard part in this section. They might give you, I don't know, let's say they gave you one with the distributive property, which doesn't make it a whole lot harder, but let's pretend 2x minus 5 is greater than 3x minus 1, okay? So you start with doing the distributive property, 2x minus 10, keep the sign the same, 3x minus 1, get the x's on one side, minus 2x, move the numbers to the other, okay, I know that looks a little messy, so this is going to be x, and then we add the 1 to the -10, so we get -9. And if you want to write it left to right, x is less than -9. Okay? All right, all there is to it. See you tomorrow.